Today, NewEcom.AI launched TravelSmart, the first travel agent co-pilot that empowers travel agencies to convert vague inquiries into tailored travel packages, instantly and at scale. I'm looking for a tour in the Western USA that's suitable for teenagers. We want to visit national parks and major cities. What is the day-by-day itinerary of this tour? Do I need a car? Are meals included in the tour package? What are the availabilities in October? Can you find a flight from Paris to LA on October 17th, returning from San Francisco on November 1st for 4 people? What would be the total cost for 4 people if I choose the option 1? TravelSmart guides and advises agents from vague ideas to precise choices. It reduces the time between initial thoughts to confirmed quotes and booking time, while best matching offers, operators, and ancillary services to maximize profitability. Discover TravelSmart today. Schedule your personalized demo at NewEcom.AI/demo.